How to generate passive income with Chatgpt. One of the hottest topics right now is how to make money with Chatgpt. Co-founded by Elon Musk and headed by CEO Sam Altman, OpenAI created Chatgpt. The AI chatbot is remarkably capable of engaging in real conversation. It's exciting and opens up endless possibilities for how we interact with technology. Today, I'll tell you 9 simple ways to use the AI tool to generate passive income. But before that, if you're interested in making money in different and new ways, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button below. And let's get started. Number 1. Update video descriptions. YouTube gives us around 500 words for video descriptions, and is usually the first 150 characters that will show up in your search results. This is the part that has the most impact on the audience, and YouTube classifies it for SEO purposes. You can copy and paste your existing video description into ChatGPT prompt and instruct it to rewrite. Make sure it uses the simplest language possible and includes what the video is about from an SEO standpoint. YouTube's default sorting algorithm is by relevance, so the more relevant you can make the title to the search query, the more likely it will appear in the search. Once you ace the instructions you need for ChatGPT to update YouTube video descriptions, it can nearly become your virtual assistant. You can offer your services as a description updater and SEO optimization specialist on freelance platforms and generate passive income easily. Remember, there are billions of videos on YouTube, so if you make your services well, you can get plenty of work. Number 2. Offer copywriting services. Copywriting can be monotonous, especially if you have to write day in and day out, but it pays well. You can offer copywriting services to make some side income, and ChatGPT can help with inspiration. You can instruct ChatGPT to write specific copywriting frameworks. For example, use prompts like generate a PAS, which is problem, agitate, solve, for this written content, or write a BAB, which is before, after, bridge, about this topic. Or you can ask it to create an AIDA, which is attention, interest, desire, and action for an article. You can get the AI to rewrite till you get your desired result, and voila! You can now offer professional copywriting services, whether it's website copy, product descriptions, or ad copies. Also, by using ChatGPT to assist you, you can generate copies much faster, hence more work and less time. Number 3. Offer translation services. Language translation appears simple, but there is so much more than meets the eye. To successfully and professionally translate text, you have to consider cultural subtleties, technical words, purpose, and audience. The fastest and easiest way to make some good side income by providing translational services is to offer the simplest form of the translation. Standard translation does not need to be cultural or have differences in idioms in the text. So you can use ChatGPT to translate manuals, training materials, and product descriptions, which are huge areas of opportunity. To check the accuracy of the translation, you can check with Google Translate or ask ChatGPT to translate the translated text back to English and compare the two. And with that, you can offer translation services in as many languages as you want. Number 4. Generic business names and slogans. It is fairly easy to generate business names and slogans using ChatGPT. You can prompt the AI with details on what you want, who the name and slogan are for, location, and financial demographic, and it will generate suggestions based on its training data. For example, ask it to generate 10 business names and slogans for a new cookie shop in Santa Monica. It'll only take a few seconds and generate 10 suggestions. You can test them on Google first to see if there's anything similar, then search social media platforms for variations to see if it's already been taken. Also, you can do a national trademark search online for free or search state by state. Fiverr is the best place to sell business names and slogans, and finding something fresh and new with ChatGPT could help you generate passive income daily. Number 5. Rewrite blog posts and blog post titles. This one is easier since you're not asking ChatGPT to write new content for you, but only to update existing blog post content to increase traffic. You'll have to research SEO and decide which keywords to include, copy, and paste, and let ChatGPT do the rest of the work for you. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you need to rewrite or update multiple blog posts at a time. Updating blog posts is necessary and needs to be done often, so offering your services to do this can be highly lucrative, making a good side income. Number 6. Write social media content. Social media posts are where ChatGPT is exceptional. Short tweets, Instagram captions, lengthy articles, and postings on LinkedIn, replies, retweets, comments, and scripts for TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts are all examples of social media content writing. The shorter the post, the better the output, and It's so swift. You could use ChatGPT to create any social media post. All you need to do is give clear instructions on what you want. For example, stats for a Facebook post about the recent calamity that hit Turkey and Syria, and it'll deliver. The output will look quite well most of the time, but ChatGPT tends to offer the same sorts of intros, such as, "Are you tired of," etc. So it can require some editing and personalizing to make a good post. After you've mastered the craft of using it for social media posts, you can offer your services to write quality social media content on freelancing platforms. Number 7. Create a course and sell it on online platforms. If you can create courses using ChatGPT and video generation platforms like Synthesia and sell them on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, Thinkific, etc., ChatGPT is great for structuring your courses because it will generate courses outline and advertising copies for you to promote your course. You can use Synthesia to create multimedia content to make the course more engaging. There are tons of topics to make courses on, so the possibilities are endless. You can make courses related to your skill or degree. For example, ask ChatGPT for an outline for a 4-week, 2 hours per week course on prompt engineering. Number 8. Write resumes and bios. It can be exhausting to look for a job, and the preparation you need to do before applying can feel like a full-time job. You'll need to optimize and update your LinkedIn and profiles and other social media platforms. Update your resume, modify your resume, and short bio for each job that you apply for. So you can use ChatGPT to write your resumes, bios, and cover letters. After you master the art of creating resumes with the help of ChatGPT, use it and sell your services as an expert to make some good money. Number 9. Use ChatGPT for email marketing. ChatGPT can generate personalized email campaigns for you based on customer behaviors and preferences. You can utilize AI to ensure emails are tailored to each customer based on an interests and buzzwords. The best ways to do this is by subject line optimization, as the subject line is the first thing that a recipient sees, so it either pulls them in or it gets sent to the trash. ChatGPT can test, generate, and provide recommendations for subject lines to find the best performing ones for a specific audience. Email segmentation. ChatGPT can analyze consumer behavior, identify common patterns, and segment email lists based on recipient behavior, interests, and preferences. A/B testing. A/B testing is used to analyze the performance of different email variations from subject line to format. ChatGPT can optimize your email campaigns by analyzing the performance of different email variations and providing recommendations on what could be the most effective for a particular audience. So if you use ChatGPT for email marketing, it'll do all the work for you, and you can provide your services as a marketer as a side hustle. The possibilities are endless using AI technology, and you can be creative about how you use it. ChatGPT is far more perfect, and what it generates will need some editing to make it worthwhile. But it's getting there, and you can already make money with it. Just carefully review what ChatGPT writes and then review the instructions you've given it. Keep adding or changing it until you get an accurate answer. You can also use free AI-generated content and plagiarism checking tools available online to check your work. So that's all for today, guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on new money-making techniques. Until next time.